Three math problem given on June 6 SAT. This is the first one. If the third root of x to the 7 divided by the second root of x equals x to the a over b for all positive value of x, what is the value of a over b? Well, just remember two formulas. The m root of a to the n equals a to the n over m, and a to the m over a to the n equals a to the m minus n. Then by applying the two formula, we can simplify it by this. The third root of x to the 7 equals x to the 7 over 3, and the square root of x equals x to the 1 over 2. And apply this formula, you can see that equals x to the 7 over 3 minus 1 over 2 equals x to the 11 over 6. So a over b equals 11 over 6. And this is the second problem. The function g is defined by the equation above for x non-negative. P and d are positive and p less than 1. Given this equation, which of the following must be true? First, the maximum value of the function is g naught. By considering that p to the x, where p are positive less than 1 and p to the x are the decreasing function. Therefore, for all x non-negative, x equals 0 is the maximum value of g naught. So 1 is true. The second one, you can see g1 minus d and g naught minus d. Then the remaining is this term p4 times p to the x. If x equals 1, p4 times p to the x equals p to the 5, and g naught equal minus d equal p to the 4 times p also p to the 5. Therefore, 2 also 2. Now, for GA greater than D, for every A positive, GA equal P to the 4 times P to the A plus D equal P to the 4 plus A plus D. For P positive and A positive, therefore, P to the 4 plus A also positive, and therefore GA greater than D. So for this multiple choice, I think D is the correct answer. The third problem is the wording problem. This is kind of lengthy, so I'm not going to read it. You take time and read it. But basically, the pressure is constant and apply on the two horizontal plates. One plate has the radius of half of the other plate. As you know, for the constant pressure and the force, equal the pressure times the area. But the pressure is constant, therefore the force proportional to the area. One plate is the radius of one plate, one half of the other plate, therefore the area is proportional by the quarter. Therefore the force also proportional by 1/4 of the quarter. So if we set the small place, the force is F, then the larger place, the force is 4F. So total the force over two plates is 5F. So 5F E equals to 2900. Therefore, F, the force applied on the smaller plate, is 580. So A is the correct answer.